Got this Albin 28 with a Vetus bow thruster. I'm going to be attempting a replacement on today on the Anode. I had trouble getting the propeller off the last time I attempted this. I'm going to first try to remove the washer in the hub with the pick, and hopefully the propeller should just slide off. If not, I'm going to have to use one of these pullers here to see if I can get that propeller off in order to access the anode, which is dangling loose. Looks like the two Allen screws may have vibrated loose. So that's what I'm going to try to do today.
First, I'm going to block the propeller from turning while I loosen the nut. Remove the rest of it. Got the nut. So now there's a little washer in there I got to try to get out with the pick. I think that's what's keeping the propeller from coming off. I can't hold the camera and do this at the same time. Too much. looks like there's some growth around the hub on the inside that's keeping that washer from releasing. Just gonna work at it here. That washer doesn't want to come out. I should have brought a magnet. Of course, it comes off when I'm not filming. That washer's still stuck in there. Let's see what it looks like. Pretty poor visibility today. It looks like there is some hull paint gobbled up there, keeping that washer from coming out. There we go. There it is. Yay. Hull paint. Clean this up. These Vetus propellers, prop thruster propellers, are supposedly extremely durable, made out of a composite which can stand up to most any type of abuse except being cleaned with muriatic acid, supposedly, is what deteriorates them. You can see a little chip here. Otherwise, the thrusters and the propeller's in good condition, relatively. I think it's been at least 3 to 5 years since this has been off the boat. So I got my light now. This pin that secures the propeller needs to come out of the shaft in order to slide the anode down the shaft, and the pin doesn't want to easily come out. Probably because of that growth there. It goes just like that. And the prop slides onto the shaft. The pin goes through the shaft and secures the prop like so. Gotta make sure that's all cleaned up before I put it back on. Now I can clean up the hub, the gear bullet, and install the anode, in theory.
Alright, so the Allen screws that secure the anode are a 3mm, and the nut is a 10mm. 3mm, 10mm.
So I've got the 3mm Allen, and I've got one of the 3mm bolts in on the right side. I'm gonna do the left side after I finish tightening down the right side here. Got the anode secured on there with both Allen screws. I'm gonna install the pin into the slot in the hole in the shaft. Got the pin installed, ready to reinstall the propeller.
Back together successfully. Praise Jesus.